Mr. Leahy, for your expert testimony and for providing this very illuminating tape. Your Honor, I think the video evidence clearly speaks for itself, and that any sane and rational person would have no choice but to convict these individuals of these ridiculous crimes.
Blah, 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 blah. Fuck.
Oh, objection. That's the 17th time that he has sworn so far.
Richard, please.
All right, I'm sorry about all the about all the stuff, but the prosecutor is he's an effing bad guy, and he's pissing me off.
He can't even speak without swearing. Your Honor, this is ludicrous. It's a disgrace to these proceedings.
Thank you. Richard, since you chose to defend yourself and fired the public defender, I guess it's your turn to question the witness.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
And Richard, before you begin, I'd like to say that I think this is a bad idea. However, you do have a right to defend yourself, so proceed, but please remember to watch your language.
Look, I can't speak without swearing, and I've only got my grade 10, and I haven't had a cigarette since I've been arrested, and I'm ready to fucking snap. So I'd like to make a request under the People's Freedom of Choices and Voices Act that I be able to smoke and swear in your courtroom. Because if I can't smoke and swear, I'm fucked. And so are all these guys. I won't be able to properly express myself at a court level, and that's bullshit. It's not fair, and if you ask me, I think it's a fucking mistrial.
This man can't represent anyone. Your Honor, he's a complete and total idiot.
Now, although I am opposed to that kind of language in my courtroom, I'm going to allow it, as unfortunately it is part of your right to a fair trial. So you may proceed, but please, I want to remind you that this is not a carnival. Richard, you have permission to smoke and swear.
Thank you. I'm just gonna get some cigarettes, actually. Let's go, Smokes.
But I only got 2 left.
I don't care. You've been a dick all morning. It's the least you can do for me.
Oh, for the love of God.
Just the defendant, please.
My first order of business is to tell the prosecutor to shut the fuck up and to wipe that stupid fucking grin off his face because it's distraculating my case. Next, I'd like to announce that Randy and Leahy have been drinking all fucking day. They're wasted of their fucking minds, and they're both assholes. And the testimony they just gave was total fucking bullshit. And I can prove it, and I'm gonna show you what really fucking happened here.
Hey, boys, here's $20 cash. Fill up for him, please.
Don't know what that's for. Probably prostitution.
We don't want your money, Corey and Trevor.
Watch him put the right in his pocket, right there.
What's going on with you guys anyway?
Oh man, we're sick from stealing so much gas, but we should be better in like 6 to 8 days.
Stealing gas? Why, Corey and Trevor, that's highly illegal. You shouldn't be stealing gas, Corey and Trevor.
That's right. It's fucked up to be stealing gas like Corey and Trevor did, and you know, I don't want anything to do with Corey and Trevor's gas stealing. We wanted nothing to do with it.
Me neither, you know what I'm saying? Only whack suckers like Corey and Trevor steal gas and deal dope.
But that was...
All right, see you later, Randy.
No, I don't want to say anything about the dope dealing because, you know, I don't know anything about that, but clearly they accepted money on film, and they admitted they stole gas, and they're sick. I mean, look at them. That's gas sickness. Fucking idiots. I got nothing else to say right now, except that the Crown and Leahy can go fuck themselves.
You're not buying any of this bullshit, are you?
Sit down, please, sir, or you'll be in contempt of court, and watch your language.
Yeah, Leahy, sit the fuck down. Truth fucking hurts, doesn't it, you son of a bitch?
Booby sub booby, Ricky.
Okay.
Whatever. Defense rests. Everybody can fuck off. Except you. I didn't mean you, but those
Thank you,
two guys
Richard.
and him.
You may be
Can
seated.
you guys get the fuck out of the way, please?
Okay, well, I think I've heard enough, and I'll be back shortly with my verdict.